If I gotta be honest, I'm a little bit tired of doing this every time that I want to watch TV or read a book or just scroll on my phone or something like that in my bed, just to have to put so many pillows to have a really nice support. It's comfy for sure, but it's not as comfy as this pillow that this brand sent to me for this video, which is about, I want to say, like 40 by 20. It is fluffy, as you can see. By the way, this one is not in full shape. I took it out of the bag about like 3 hours ago. So I do recommend it to let it sit and rest for like about 24 hours. But this one is already fluffy enough. Let me show you this one right here on my bed. So number one, boom, that's it. Easy. You don't have to put like all those pillows. You have a perfect support over there. Number two, you have this really nice storage for your remote TV control or something like that. You can put your cell phone as well. You can put a small book as well, just to have like storage over there. But the best thing about that, besides, that comes with a zipper right here, so you can actually remove this cover and wash it if you need. You can remove the buttons also if you need. And then you're gonna see that this one is super fluffy. But let me show you this. Also, with a zipper, with a cover, you have this for your head. This is super good to have. That's something that you're not gonna have with a pillow, because let me show you now. When you sit over here, and you're not only going to have a really nice support over there, but then your head, that is one of the most important things. That is perfect for just watching TV. I can just reach down here. By the way, yeah, you gotta just make sure that you have some place to put it for your head, but then I can reach to the side and just boom, that's it. I have my TV down here. Oh, it feels really nice. I have to say that it feels really, really nice. I can read a book over here. I can scroll on my phone and be super comfy with this fluffy pillow, but also this firm support over here for my head and my neck. It feels really good. I like it better than having thousands of pillows over here. And my cat made a surprise appearance over here, so she likes this as well. Pretty good one, fluffy, good for my head and my neck. Yeah, this is it. I'm gonna watch some TV right now.